Figured I'd do a short video about this new Delta XL cage and also some of the accessories that can be added. This cage is the same design as the Delta, which is for 35 to 37 inch tires. This is the XL, which is designed for 38 to 40 inch tires. This customer has a big Dodge Ram 2500 with a Carly kit on it, and 40s obviously, and wanted to have the majority of his accessories and recovery gear attached to his removable tire cage. So all he has to do is pull the pin on the jack, pull the jack out, pull the gas can out, pull the tire out, and then the tire cage has two pins that get pulled up. The tire cage slides out of its mounts, and it makes it quick release with no tools involved. Then he's got his whole bed back for storage and using his truck for doing truck things. Our website has got all the information on these cages, pricing and details. He wanted a flag mount, which I think is a great idea for going to Glamis and so on. Fire extinguisher is also on quick release. I think that about covers it. This is the Pro Eagle 3-ton Kratos jack, if anyone's curious. And of course, proper 454 flag. Anyways, send me an email if you have any questions. I don't really get to the comments too often, but thanks for watching.